Hey, Drone here. What's going on, guys? So we got the Bugs 3 mini jumper. Just gonna give this a test run. It is really windy out, but this drone should have no issues dealing with it. I'm not gonna test acro line of sight because again, it's super windy. So once you already did the binding process, which there is a new DFU file where you don't gotta go to the spreadsheet, you could just bind it normally. Go ahead, do. Turn this on. And then, I don't know, that's the switch I have for my motors. The switch underneath here is for my lights. I don't have a headlight in there because usually I have an all-in-one camera in there. And then this switch, which we're going to switch up, would be for acro. We're just going to go ahead and... we are in self-leveling mode, I think. No, maybe not. I'm in acro. Okay. So I don't really want to be in acro. So maybe, hold on. Okay, let's see. Easy there. Alright, we're going to put this back down. Easy. And kill motors. Maybe I have my acro switch backwards. Let's see, we're gonna flick that down and then we're gonna try to take off again. No, maybe it's in acro all the time. Because it definitely is in acro right now. So this ain't gonna be a really good flight video because I'm not that great in flying in acro. As you guys can see, I'm kind of teetering left to right. Really hoping this would have a self-stabilized mode. That way I could rip around with it. But as you can see, this is definitely working. I'm not really sure why stabilized mode isn't on. Well, this might push me to, or no, maybe it's an assist. So let's see. Pushing forward, and I think it's an assist. I think it's kind of acro, pushing forward, and then it levels out. Yeah, so it's almost self-leveling mode. So what I'm going to do here is push forward, and then it levels out, versus acro, I think anyway. Let's see. Got the drone here. Going to push forward and let go, and it does, and it stabilizes to where it levels out. We're going to go ahead and bring it back this way. So it's almost stabilized mode. I forget what that's called, but then let's go ahead and just set that down. I'm going to flick that up. Now we should be in full acro. Absolutely. Maybe. Still seems like it's stabilizing. So I'm not pressing that, and actually it definitely has a back tilt to it. Maybe my trims aren't fully trimmed out. We're going to set this down, and we're just going to kill the motors. Let me see my trims. No, I'm trimmed out. I don't know if MJX has a gyroscope calibration, but so this definitely works. I'm gonna put that back up, and we're going to try to lightly fly this, I guess. Without crashing into my neighbor's house. I'd definitely like this to be fully stabilized. That way I can rip around with it like you guys know I could rip around in full stabilization. Right now I'm just kind of like baby flying it. But again, this might push me to learn acro a little bit better. Again, I'm pushing left. Nope, it's going left. I don't know. It's a little bit weird. I'm going to have to show the guys the deviation video. Look how windy it is. Testament to this drone, it can hang in the wind. because I'm not getting a full stabilized mode, which I would like a full stabilized mode because that's how I roll. But to go ahead and just easy there. Whoop. Oh yeah, that wind's cooking. Wind is cooking. But alright guys, I think I'm going to set this down. It's getting really windy out, and without this being full stab mode, I'm liable to crash it. Bam, just like that. Shut the motors off. So this definitely works. There is a new DFU file up where you don't have to go into the spreadsheet. I'm very curious as to what's the deal with the acro mode and whatnot on that switch, because I can show you model menu, my mixers. I have channel 5 set for, I believe, let's see, channel 5 is my motors, channel 6 is my lights, and then all the way down here we have channel 10 set for acro, non-acro, but again, it seems to constantly being acro, or maybe Horizon. I think Horizon might be like almost acro, or I don't know. Have to talk to Deviation guys, but I just want to show you guys it does work. If you guys haven't subscribed, smash the subscribe button. I got 84% on here. Not sure, or there, okay. I was gonna say, what's 84%? That was just my stick wasn't completely down. Questions, comments, concerns down below. If you guys know, like I know 2 of the Devo guys are kind of watching my YouTube here and there, help me out. Let me know about that acro.